Could the new ZiG currency be the solution to Zimbabwe's economic woes? Or is it simply another chapter in the country's complex financial narrative? Welcome to our in-depth examination of this unfolding story. In a significant policy shift, Zimbabwean authorities, who were initially hesitant to compel petroleum dealers to accept the new ZiG currency, have announced a change. Motorists can now purchase petrol and diesel with this new form of money. As per the Zimbabwe Energy Regulatory Authority, a litre of diesel will command a price of 22.24 ZiGs, while petrol will cost 21.15 ZiGs per litre. These prices, based on the May 2024 M1 figures, will remain effective until the 4th of June 2024. Service stations were initially slow to adopt the new currency, with even state-owned Zuva yet to peg prices in ZiGs. This was despite assurances from RBZ Governor John Mushayavanhu that the currency would not be enforced upon any business, given the country's multi-currency basket, which includes the highly favored United States dollar. The ZiG currency, introduced at a rate of $1 to 13 ZiGs, faces similar challenges to its predecessor, the RTGS, which suffered severe devaluation due to market forces and illegal street trade. With the ZiG still not widely available in the market, acceptance has been slow, particularly among informal shops, vendors, and pirate taxi operators. Critics argue that for the ZiG to gain widespread trust, it needs to be accepted at key points of commerce, including fuel stations, government passport offices, and by government departments that charge certain taxes exclusively in US dollars. In conclusion, the introduction of the ZiG currency marks a significant turning point in Zimbabwe's economic landscape. Its acceptance by petroleum dealers and motorists is a promising sign, but broad acceptance, particularly among informal sectors and government departments, will be key to its success. Only time will tell if the ZiG will stabilize the country's economy or become another chapter in Zimbabwe's complex financial history.